Boom! Another stock has been off to the moon, and this time it's AMC, a cinema chain based in the US. And if you followed the GameStop saga, then this situation may be somewhat familiar to you. But just in case you're only just coming out from under your rock and you didn't hear about GME, you've basically got a bunch of retail traders on online social networks, namely Reddit, buying up AMC stock in an attempt to initiate a short squeeze against hedge funds who are seen as being the enemy. I mean, the share price has certainly rocketed. From the trough in April last year to its peak this year, AMC has gained over 3,000%. Or more impressively, it's gained over 2,000% over the course of just the past month alone. This all seems a far cry from where the company was last year, as customer-facing businesses like cinemas were hit pretty hard due to the lockdowns. Now, the company was already in trouble after posting a loss of $149 million in 2019, and this was only compounded by lockdown measures, causing them to take a loss of $4.6 billion in 2020. Now, I do think that this stock was already worth a look last year after the initial crash at the start of the pandemic, just as the stimulus started to come back in. I mean, after all, it was safe to say that the economy would reopen at some point. However, they were literally on the edge of going under, so there were risks involved as well. But the recent run-up in the share price seems to be rather disconnected from reality. At least AMC themselves think so, based on this comment. Under the circumstances, we caution you against investing in our Class A common stock unless you're prepared to incur the risk of losing all or a substantial portion of your investment, since the current stock price is unrelated to the underlying business or macro or industry fundamentals. It's perhaps a bit of an odd comment from a company that's now selling a further 11.5 million shares as they try to capitalize on their surging stock price. However, AMC and GME haven't been alone in their adventures to the moon. There have been some pretty incredible stories over the past year of other assets embarking on that journey, Dogecoin. But it does seem to be that going to the moon isn't the biggest issue. The issue is being able to actually stay there. And we can see that that's been the case with AMC as well, which has actually been struggling a bit over the past week. But along with assets like Dogecoin and stocks like GameStop, it now seems that AMC is officially part of the meme investment club. It is officially a meme stock. Now, just like in our previous video on this situation with GME, it wouldn't be a surprise to see many more companies also joining this club. At the moment, we've got Bed Bath & Beyond, along with BlackBerry, that are currently the favorites within these online communities. So let me know, are there any others that are on your radar as well? Are there any hot meme stocks coming up that we need to keep an eye on? Let me know in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care, guys.